Day 27. Yesterday you practiced setting your account currency. Today you're going to learn how to give your algorithm a head start before it begins making real decisions. Some indicators, like a moving average, need a certain amount of past data before they produce a reliable value. Without that data, your algorithm might trade on numbers that aren't ready yet. So, what is SetWarmUp? SetWarmUp is the method you call in initialize to feed your algorithm historical data before the backtest officially starts, so your indicators are ready from day one. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have warming up before a race. On the right, set warm up. Imagine a sprinter stepping straight from the locker room onto the track and immediately racing at full speed. Cold muscles, no stretching, no preparation, the first sprint of the day is rarely their best. A proper warm up beforehand means they're ready to perform the moment the gun fires. The warm up here says, don't expect peak performance from something that hasn't had time to prepare. Set warm up works exactly the same way. It feeds historical data in before the official start, which in this case is a 20-day moving average needs 20 days of data first, and set warm-up supplies that quietly before your backtest's actual start date, so the indicator isn't running cold. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of set warm-up in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Set warm-up is used to feed historical data into your algorithm before the backtest officially begins, true or false. And the correct answer is true. That's exactly its purpose, making sure indicators have enough data to be reliable right from the start of the actual backtest.